In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Avalanche coin. Avalanche. No, I'm just kidding. Avalanche. Okay, so abbreviation AVAX. Find it on CoinMarketCap, see where the contract is, and copy the address. It's on the BNB Smart Chain, BEP20. Head over to PancakeSwap, click the token you want to buy, paste the address that we've just copied here, and import the coin. Click I understand, import. And that's it. Be sure to be on the BNB network, both wallets and platforms that you're trading on. And now you have to have some BNB to swap over to AVAX. That's it. Hope this helped. See you next time. Happy swapping.